Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to set up or install PySpark 3.5.7 on Windows 10 or 11 operating systems. First we will download the required software, then we will install, then we will configure environment variables. Then we will test the PySpark application. Okay, so the required softwares are, we must have WinRAR 7-zip and Java 21 or 17, Python version 3.10 or later version, then initils, then we have to download and extract Apache Spark. Okay, I will keep all these links in the video description. Now I have already downloaded WinRAR 7-zip. It is free to download. You can download by going to Google or any search engine and search. I have already installed Python. If you want, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install Python on Windows operating system. Okay, so first go to this Spark official website, that is spark.apache.org. Then hover mouse on this documentation, click on latest release. See here, Spark runs on Java 17 or 21 and Python version 3.10 or later versions. Okay, so click on download page. Wait a moment, it is populating. It requires Java 17 or 21. In this video I am going to download and install Java JDK 17. You can download or install Java JDK 21 as well. Now go to new tab oracle.com, then click on products, then click on Java, then download Java. See here we have, if you want download 21, click on 21, then click on Windows, then download this MSI installer. Installation process and configuration is same for 21 or 17. Go to Java archive. See here we have the 17. Click on it. Then for Windows, you have to download x64 installer or MSI installer. Download either of them. Select it. Download. This is just asking username and password. If you don't have username and password, click on create account. It is free to register and no need to pay anything. Just register it and you can provide that email and password. I have already registered. If you don't want, go back. Again go back. Click on Java downloads. Just click on Java JDK 21. Download. Then select Windows. Then download either of these two. For these two, it won't ask for registration or login. Okay, it is up to you. But in this video, I am going to download Java JDK. I am hiding my username and password. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is 153 megabytes. Now install it. Click on next. Now select the location for this Java files. If you don't want this location, click on change and select the path. I am okay with this default one. Click on next. See, installation has been started. It is very simple and straightforward installation. See, installation is completed. Click on close. Then see here, these first three steps completed. Now we have to download this initils for the Hadoop configuration. See here, these are the stable releases. Select the version from here. If you want older versions, click on this archives. Okay, then for this 3.5.7 we have to choose the Hadoop 3.3 or later version. Okay, so copy this Hadoop GitHub link, new tab, paste it, then select the 3.30 or 3.3.1 or 3.40. I am going to select this 3.3.1. Then select this winutils.exe. Then click on this download button. See, download started and completed. See, it is downloaded. Okay. See, step 4 also completed. Now download and extract Apache Spark. Okay, go to this download Apache Spark, select 3.5.7, then select the Apache Hadoop 3.3 or later, then click on this Spark 3.5.7 bin Hadoop zip file. Click on it to download, then select any one of these links, click on it. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 382 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will unzip this one and we will configure the environment variables. See, download is completed. First verify Java installed or not. Open command prompt. Type Java ---- version. See, we have installed Java JDK 17. Go to download. See here, we have these files. Okay. First, extract this one. Right click. Use WinRAR and any zip unzip folder software. Then extract files. Then extract here only. See, extraction completed. Now click on this extracted folder. Then right click on this one. Copy it. Then open Windows Explorer. Then go to C drive or any drive. I am going to copy that in C drive. Paste it. Now rename this file. Now go to this folder. See here we have the list of the files. Okay. Now create another file in the same directory, that is C drive. New folder. Then give Hadoop. Go to this folder. Create one more file. New file. Folder. I am giving bin. In this bin directory, go to this bin directory. Go to downloads. Copy this utils, right click, copy, then go to this Hadoop directory, C drive, Hadoop, bin, then paste that file. Okay, so now we have to set up the environment variables. We can set up the environment variables by right clicking on this PC, then go to properties, then we have to click on advanced system variables, then we have to click on environment variables. Okay. The other way is go to Windows, then search for environment. See here we have the edit system environment variables. Click on it, then click on environment variables. Then in this system variables section, create 3 system variables. So click on new. Then first I am going to set the Java home environment variable. In this variable value, go to Java install directory. Click on browse or just go to here, system, Windows, program files, Java JDK, copy up to this directory, or click on browse, then go to C drive, program files, Java, then select the Java JDK. Both are same. Click on OK. Then next, new variable, Hadoop _ home. Same way, go to the folder that we have created, that is Hadoop. Then click on OK. Click on OK. Another variable, new Spark _ home. Then in variable value, so we have successfully created 3 variables. Now go to this path variable, click on edit, click on new, then give percentile Java _ home. Again close this percentile, \bin. Create one more variable, Hadoop _ home, percentile \bin. Create another variable for Spark _ home, then percentile \bin. Okay, click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Now we have successfully set everything. Now we will test. Open CMD, that is command prompt. Now run spark -shell. Hit enter. See, if you don't receive any errors, means we have successfully set everything correctly. See, we have successfully connected to Scala, and see here the version of this Spark is 3.5.7. Okay, this is the context web UI. Okay, this is the host name or computer name of my PC. Okay, so copy this one, select it and hit enter to copy. Go to here, new tab, paste it, hit enter. See, we got the Spark shell. If you go to environment, see here, this is a Java version, this is the Scala version. Okay, now we will test the PySpark. Go to here, Control D to exit. Now run PySpark. See, before we were having Scala, now here it is Python prompt. Okay, so copy this web UI context, select it and hit enter. Go to new tab, paste it, hit enter. See, here we have the PySpark shell. Before here we were having Spark shell. Okay, if you go to this environment, see here we have PySpark shell. We don't have any jobs with stages or nothing, executors. So in this video we have successfully installed or set up the PySpark 3.5.7 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.